Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Kate and I post here vegan recipes and I talk about vegan and eco-friendly lifestyle. Today I have for you a recipe for vegan mac and cheese. It was a long time coming. I was working on it for quite some time and tweaking and changing some things, and I think right now it's really delicious. I'm completely obsessed with it, completely addicted. So I'm pretty sure you would like it as well. It is gluten-free, soy-free and nut-free, which I think is really great. It has a little bit of oil due to the produce that we're using, the oil is already in the produce that we're using, but other than that it's pretty healthy, and yeah, I'm really excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. We will start by cooking 250 grams of elbow macaroni. You can use gluten-free pasta or any other that you like. While the pasta is cooking, we will chop about 14 dried tomatoes. I'm using the ones from the oil and I like to rinse them first to get rid of the excess oil, but you can skip the rinsing or use the sun-dried tomatoes that were not in oil. Then we will chop 200 grams of green onion. When the pasta is cooked, we will strain and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process and avoid it sticking to itself. And now to make a cheese sauce, we will pour 400 milliliters of oat cream into a pot. You can also use any other plant-based cream, but I do like oat the most. And then we'll add 30 grams or half of a cup of Nutritional Yeast, 3 teaspoons of arrowroot powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric. Then we will mix it all well using the whisker to avoid any lumps and cook on medium heat until it thickens. The more it thickens, the easier it will stick to the pot, so make sure you keep on mixing. In the end, we'll add in the dried tomatoes and green onion and mix it very well. We will add the pasta and mix once more until it's evenly coated. If you want, you can quickly heat it up a bit more and serve it warm with a garnish of freshly grounded pepper and some fresh green onion. I'm really excited to make more vegan cheese-like recipes, and I'm actually thinking of making fondue. It will probably take me a little bit of time because I do definitely need to find the right proportions for everything, but if you're interested, definitely click the subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you comment down below and like this video because it really helps a lot. If you're interested, the full breakdown to this recipe is already up on the website, alongside with a free PDF that you can download for the future reference. Also, I would like to invite you to join me on Instagram. I post there more often and there are some exclusive recipes as well, so definitely check it out. All the links are in the description down below. If you ever make this one or any other of my recipes, I would highly appreciate if you can take a picture and post it on Instagram, tagging me ReShape_official so I can see it as well. And now, thank you so much for watching. That's it, and see you in the next one.